These aren't good enough. Call him to Sal.
Hey! Hey guys, I'll make this quick. Please hit that subscribe button. Really helps out. And enjoy the video. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to start taking out all of these chairs as well as the trim pieces, so that way we can just get this gray Jeep out. So right here we just take out the seat. It's actually really easy. Just take out this one side with the ratchet and then it pops right out. From there we're just cleaning out trim and other pieces, you know, individual trash and stuff like that. And then we actually start taking off the trunk trim. So from here I just kind of struggle with the hatch strut thing for several minutes. It's only like 3 seconds of time lapse, but damn. And then this part's really sweet, just moving it really fast. I think it's sweet. So from here I'm just working on the rear hatch trim. You kind of see me going ahead and popping off all of the strut mount again. It's kind of the struggle. I was trying to use a hoe there, didn't work at all. So finally got a 2x4 and actually popped it off. So yeah, from here I'm just taking off this back trim, just taking off all the screws, bolts, everything like that. Took a while, but I got it off. Now Brody's taking off this seat belt bolt and things like that. There's the seat belt, another trim, and that's pretty much the end. From there we attempted to take out the seat belt holders. That's what Brody's kind of going for right now. But it's basically the Torx bolts that hold the seat belts in, because we're going to get the carpet out of there, but I kind of said screw it on the carpet. I'm just not taking it. The impact didn't work, the ratchet didn't work, nothing's working. So yeah, I'm just screwing the carpet. Doesn't matter. So from here we started taking out the taillights. So the guy who owned this before me actually went in here, put all their own electrical components in there, and then on top of that sprayed a bunch of like spray adhesive rubber stuff, so it was just screwed. And from there we're just taking out the rest of the trim, and Brody's back there cutting the seatbelts out because the trim won't come out unless you get the Torx bit out, and we couldn't do that, so we just ended up cutting the seatbelts. Best steering wheel money can buy. So we have a serious chance of this bumper just flying off, so I'm going to film this whole goat rodeo.
Is it raining? It does. It feels like rain.
Oh, it's going to pull off the bumper. Oh. What? Incredible. Steering on his feet with a pair of vice grips.
These aren't good enough. Call him to Sal.
Hey! Cool. Brody complained that the steering wheel wasn't good enough, or the vice grips, so he's putting on the old steering wheel because he's a pussy.
Extension. I think the leaf spring just popped out. that was aggressive. Mobile trash can.
Alright, well, might as well change the angle here. We got Brody's piece of shit Subaru right here with planets and shit on it. And then the lifted Envoy with nice ass tires. And we got Brody making eyeballs at me. Get ready, Brody. Yep! Doesn't sound great. All the tires are spinning, so I mean that's an upside. Man, that XJ looks disgusting. but beautiful, you know? Kind of its own thing. Parts XJs, you know, they exist for a reason. I'm probably gonna edit out all of me talking right now. The retrieval mission. So I got my new tires in, so it might be 8, but I think they're 10s. Gonna go ahead and show you guys and compare them.
Have people basically like been split in half by leaf tags?
Yeah. Want to just hold this for me?
Yeah, if you need any parts, let me know. Because like stuff like that, we just throw away.
I might actually. That'd be nice. That is crazy big.
Piece together something.
Go ahead and get the side profile. It's where that tire ends is like right. So. I'll come back to Brody's projects. Brody will be now taking off this entire panel on this door to show you how it's done. We already pretty much did it to all the other doors. So we figured we'll do it on the passenger because we already got the chrome mirror on the drivers. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this off, show you what's up, and then we'll show you putting it on the passenger door. So let's get cooking. Wow, that is not focused at all. Get her in focus. So, what's up, guys? seats in, console in, trim in, sort of, kind of. I'm gonna have to paint that back here. I'm not planning on putting any back seats in it for right now. So, I mean, that's what the door looks like. And then Brody got all of these in, as you could see. The trim is coming around the side. And it's looking really good. I mean, we don't have that part up. It's actually right. But other than that, yeah. So we're gonna lift it. Hey guys, tune into the next video. We're actually gonna be doing the important stuff, lifting it. So I'm really excited to see you guys there. Please hit that subscribe button and thank you.